Let's make my fresh green beans recipe. Ditch the old green bean casserole and wow your guests with this fresher take that's simply irresistible. I bought this 32-ounce bag of green beans at my grocery store. We'll probably use about half of it. I like to cut the ends off my green beans, although you could leave them if you prefer. You can either snap them off, cut them with kitchen shears, or take a few at a time and cut them with a knife. You just want to make sure, since they're all different lengths, that you push them against the knife so they're all nice and even, and then cut the ends off. Rinse them babies under cold water until the dirt is gone. While your green beans drain in the sink, you want to cut a small onion into thin slices. Next, take 6 strips of bacon and cut into bite-sized pieces. Now mince 3 fresh garlic cloves. I like to use fresh because the taste is so much better. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add your green beans and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. For maximum tenderness, I like to give mine a full 10 minutes. In the meantime, on a large skillet on medium-high heat, you want to place your bacon. We're going to be cooking this until it's nice and crispy. This process takes a little over 10 minutes. In the meantime, my green beans are ready, so I'm going to go drain them. Just in time, my bacon is ready. I'm going to place it on a plate temporarily. In the same pan, using the bacon grease to our advantage, we're going to add our onions, then saute for about a minute or 2, then add your green beans. Let's give them a mix in that nice bacon grease. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more videos like this, please be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. All right, I'm going to turn my heat down to low. Now to season, we'll add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now, if you want a little bit of a kick, you can add about a teaspoon or more, depending on your liking. This 1/4 teaspoon is just going to give it a little extra flavor. It won't be hot at all. I'm still going to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Just be careful with the salt because the bacon does have salt in it. Now we can add our 3 minced garlic cloves. I wish you guys could smell this. Why don't we have smell TV? These smell amazing. Next, half a fresh lemon and squeeze the juice from both halves directly into the skillet. Give it a good mix, then add back your bacon. Look how delicious, nice and vibrant it's looking so far. As an option, you can also add butter. Today, I'm skipping it. All right, friends, here I've got some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, I do recommend that you shred your own. When you buy it shredded in a bag, it comes with a waxy film and it just doesn't melt as well. I do like to get this one from the deli department. It just tastes so much better. I'm going to cover it up and let it melt for about a minute. After a minute, this is looking great. Let's go plate and add the rest. You can see I have already plated them. Now, if you wanted to, you can squeeze a little more lemon. It's entirely up to you. I love fresh lemon, so I'm just adding more. And you can also sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan on top. I went ahead and added a couple lemon slices just for garnish. And it's time to give them a try. Cheers. They're so good. The combination of the bacon with the lemon and all the seasoning that I used just make it taste so delicious. I really hope you give these a try. And if you do, be sure and tag me. I'm also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Please don't forget to give this a like and share with your friends. Thanks for your support. So good. Yes, honey. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And I invite you to visit my community section where you'll get to know me on a more personal level. Also, be sure to check out the description box where I post all ingredients and links to some of my favorite items. Please be sure to check out these links on the side. Thanks for watching and your support. Please share with your friends.